In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create your own fashion house using Canva, step by step. Now let's get started. So guys, once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to print at the top and then you're going to click on it, okay? And then you're going to go to flyer, click on that. Okay guys, so next thing you want to do, we're going to go to the top and we're going to change the color to a yellow. Okay. All right, the next thing we're going to do after that is we're going to go to elements and we're going to type in blog. Click on the graphics and you can find the one that you want to use. I'm going to use this one right here. And I am going to use this one here. Okay. I'm going to turn it around some, okay. Make sure they're about the same size. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go back to elements and type in rectangle. Okay, we're going to drag it down some and we're going to change this color to yellow. All right, same as the background. Change this the color to yellow as well, and we're going to drag this back up and this is going to be the color white at the top. Change it to white. Okay, and we're going to drag it up, right click layer and send backward. Okay, send it backward again. Make sure you have both of them. Then we're going to expand this. All right, and then I'm going to highlight them so I can group it. All right, I'm going to make sure this is centered. Once that's done guys, we're going to go to the right corner, click share. We're going to download it as a PNG, then click download. Okay, then we're going to open it, drag it over here. We're going to wait a few seconds and we see that it's downloading. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to delete this. Okay, then we're going to go to upload and we're just going to drag it over here and we're going to change the color to like a green background. Then we're going to remove the background. All right, once that's done, we're going to increase the size. Okay, then we're going to go to edit at the top. We're going to click on shadows. We're going to click on drop and we're going to increase the blur to about 38. I ain't going distance guys, we're just going to leave that the same, and then we're going to just crop this. Okay, all right, on all ends, and then we're going to increase the size once again and center it. Okay, that's done. We're going to go right back to elements and we're going to type in fashion model. Okay, click on the photos and you can use any photo that you want. Okay, so I'm going to use this picture here guys. I'm going to remove the background. Once that's done, we're going to move her over a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to move her backwards. Okay guys, and then we're going to just move her over a little bit and then we're going to crop her feet. Okay, then we're going to change the background color to more of a red. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to type in blur on the element. Okay, and we're going to try this one right here. We're going to go to transparency so we can decrease it some. All right, okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to right click, show in layers, and we're going to bring the blur underneath the model herself. We're going right back to rectangle and we're going to all we're going to do guys is change this to white and just pull it all the way around. Okay, So basically you can copy and paste if you want to. Put it down below. Turn it around. Okay. So guys, once that's done, we're going to go right back to elements. And we're going to choose a circle. And I'm just going to reduce the size of it. I'll put one right here. Okay. I'm going to duplicate it. And I'm going to drag the other one over here. Okay. So guys, when that's done, we're going to go right back to blob under graphics. And we're going to find another blob. Okay. And I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to change the color to red. I'm going to reduce the size of it. Okay, I'm going to turn it around. All right. Go back to elements and type in prize. Okay. I'm going to go on the graphics. I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to reduce the size. I'm going to drag it over here. And this is going to be for my logo. Then I'm going to add to text. And I'm going to type in my name, which is Darlette. Reduce the font size. I'm going to drag it up here. Okay. So guys, this is the final result and it does look pretty good to me. Click share when you're done and you can download it as a PNG. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.